Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook moringa leaves as a vegetable. First, you'll want to prepare your fresh moringa leaves. Begin by carefully plucking the small, vibrant leaves from their tougher stems. It's important to discard any thick, fibrous parts. Next, give your leaves a thorough wash under cool, running water, perhaps 2 or 3 times, to ensure they are completely clean. Finally, drain them well in a colander, allowing all excess water to drip away before you start cooking. One popular and delicious way to cook moringa leaves is by sautéing them. Start by heating about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a pan. Once warm, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a 1/4 cup of finely chopped shallots. Sauté these for approximately 2 minutes until the shallots become tender. Then, introduce 1 tablespoon of crushed dry chilies and a sprig of curry leaves. Finally, add 2 cups of your prepared moringa leaves. Stir everything together, cover, and cook for about 10 minutes until tender. Another simple and healthy method is boiling or steaming moringa leaves. For boiling, bring 2 cups of water to a high heat in a pot, adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Once boiling, add about 2 cups of fresh moringa leaves and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender. If you prefer steaming, place the leaves in a steamer basket over boiling water and steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This gentle cooking helps retain their vibrant color and many nutrients. Once cooked, moringa leaves are incredibly versatile. You can serve them hot as a simple, nutritious side dish, perhaps drizzled with a little olive oil or butter. They also blend wonderfully into rice dishes, curries, or even scrambled eggs. For soups and stews, stir in about 1 cup of leaves during the final 10 minutes of cooking. Remember, moringa is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas, making it a fantastic addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.